Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 4 from exercise 2.2 of class 10th maths. So as you can see, the question is already present on the screen. The question is, there is a circular path around a sports field. Raman takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field while Anupriya takes 12 minutes for the same. So till here what we understood, there is a circular field on which two persons are taking round, and Raman completes one round in 18 minutes while Anupriya completes the round in 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at same point and at same time and go in same direction. Now what they are doing, the both persons are starting at the same point, same time and in same direction. Then after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So here we have to find out that if they are starting from the same point, same time and same direction, then after how much minutes they will meet at starting point again. That we have to find out. So students, in this question, the work which they are doing is same but time period is different. Raman is taking 18 minutes to do the same work while Anupriya is taking 12 minutes to do the same work. That's why when time is different, at that situation, if we want that they should meet at the starting point again, then we should take the LCM. So in these kind of questions, we have to take care that we have to take the LCM of the time period. So we'll start to solve the question. So there is a circular. First we'll write the statement, time taken by Raman. So time taken by Raman to complete one round equal to 18 minutes. In the same way, we will write down for the Anupriya also. Same statement, time taken by Anupriya to complete one round is equal to, how much is the time now for Anupriya? 12 minutes. In the question it is written. Now we'll write down that if they start at the same point, same time in same direction, then they will meet again after how much time. So the statement is going to be time by which they will meet again. At starting point. So what's the condition? We are going to calculate the time by which they will meet again at starting point. Now what they are doing, they are starting at the same point, same time and same direction. So that we will mention here. So when So we'll take the statement from the question itself. When they both start at same time. So when they both start at same time point and direction. So that will get when we calculate LCM of 18 minutes and 12 minutes. So that we have to calculate now. So for that we have to factorize. So we will factorize here. 18 I am going to factorize. So now I started the process to calculate the LCM. So to calculate the LCM, first we have to do the factorization, prime factorization. So that I am doing. 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, and 12 also we have to factorize. So when we factorize 12, we will get here 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So after factorization, students, we obtained 18 is equal to, here it seems very untidy, so I will erase here, write it down. It is going to be 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 and 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So now here we make the pair of the like terms. So these two are in the same pair, in the same way these two are in the same pair. So here finally we will write down LCM of 18 and 12 is equal to, so from the pairs one number will come out. So from this pair 2 will come out, and from this pair 3 will come out, and these two are not in the pair, but since we are finding the LCM, so they will also attach at the back. So 3 multiplied by 2. So when we multiply them, we will get 3 2 is 6, and this is also 6. So 6 6 is 36. So answer is 36 minutes. So answer is going to be 36 minutes. So I hope this question is clear. So in these kind of question, when the time period is different and we want that they should meet again at the same starting point, then in this kind of situation we should take the LCM of the different time period and we will get the answer. Thank you.